Hey everybody, Mike here, April 3rd, 2015. Thank God it's Friday. Yes indeed, thank God it's Friday. Thanks to everybody that subscribed last week. I do appreciate that very much. Don't forget, check out some of the old videos, leave some comments, you know what to do. Happy birthday to Sadie's 1984, also to Cassie Lynn, 13 years old, and also to Ryan Cook, 25 years old. Happy birthday to all of you. I hope you have a fabulous time on your birthday. Ooh. Today's little food jam is a package from Zooumberg. Zooumberg. Look at this. I got the package right here, and I got to make sure I don't turn it upside down so we don't show your address. Oh, no, I wouldn't do that to you. All the way from the UK. Where's my knife? Is me knife. All right, let's get into this. We're going to unbox, and then I have no clue what's in here. All I know is he sent some goodies. On the box, on the outside of the box, it does say sweets. So I know he sent me 2 packages, right? So the second one must contain food or non-sweets. I don't know. Let's find out. Well, now that I got the tape off. Alright, man, this thing is really taped up. Well, which is good because the United States Post Office has a way of just shanking boxes. You've seen the packages that Melina sent me from Greece that were just like accordions. They were just, oh, look at here. Alright, well, this doesn't look like sweets so far. We got some Walker's mix-up, spicy flavor, Walker's mix-ups, snack mix, spicy flavor, French fries. What's this? What's its? French fries and what's its? Interesting. What are these made of? Wheat, monosodium glutamate, disodium 5. Oh, all the good chemicals. Okay. So this was a little junk food thing here. Cool. We got that. Oh, it's made by Doritos. I didn't even notice that. Doritos with the Doritos chip. But I've never had these before. We got a can here. Okay, this definitely isn't sweets. Ooh, oxtail soup. Heinz oxtail soup. I've never had canned oxtail soup before. No artificial colors, no artificial preservatives. Thank you so much. Oh, I was going to say I need a can opener for this, but got a pull top. And what is this? What is this? All heavily packaged. This must be glass, I'm thinking. Oh, well that's not all of it. Here we go. Geez, another one that's packed again. Oh, here's the second one. Oh, look at this. Oh, Chilean Sauvignon Blanc. Oh, we got some wine here. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my God, should I crack this open and try it on the show, or should I drink? No, you know what? I have to, right? Because it's, so I need a wine glass for that. And what's in here? All right, let me just see if I can cut through this. And you packed this up good, son. Oh, there we go. Let's just go from the bottom. Ooh, it looks like a red. What, son? Blossom Hill, soft and fruity. Red wine. Soft and fruity. Yes, indeed. Soft and fruity. Soft and Blossom Hill from California. Soft and fruity red wine. From California to the UK to back to here. California is just right next door. All right, let's get this checked out. Let me get a bowl and a spoon for the oxtail soup. Whew, all right, I got a bowl, got some scissors, and let's try out these Walker's mix-ups first. cut right into these. That's different. Kind of a tomatoey spicy kind of. These are weird looking little things though. Yeah, there's the French fries. There's things in there that look like Cheetos. I'm not sure what those things are, but there, take a peek at these. All right, look at that. Looks like Cheetos. I see the French fries and I see these puffy things. Let me take a couple of each out. Wow, look at these. Oh, those definitely look like Cheetos. I don't know what these are. They look like mini bear claws. Oh, they look like this is what that's what it looks like, right? We got those little rock and roll ring things here. Are these like little broken ring fingers things? There we go. And there's the Cheetos. And there's the French fries. Wow. And, oh, and these flat things. Oh, these are pieces of chips. Nacho chips. This is an interesting snack mix. But what I was going to say, the French fries actually taste like French fries. Oh man. All kinds of yellow stuff. And I take it these taste like Cheetos? Not as crunchy as Cheetos. They're like soft little cheese pillows. These are not, they look crunchy, but they're not. They're just real soft. They kind of taste like the chips. Let's try these little guys. Man, this is dangerous. Loaded full of chemicals and preservatives and dyes and artificial this and that. But you know what? These could be addictive. Like on a movie night or a game night or any night. Wow. I don't eat many foods like this, but I'm going to put this one right off to the side. That's going to get finished. All right, let's get on with the oxtail soup. Oxtail soup. I will flip if there's actually an oxtail in here and not just oxtail meat. Let's check it out. No doubt you're supposed to eat it warmed up. It smells like Campbell's soup. It smells just like Campbell's tomato soup. Oh, that's thick. Oh, that is just gelatinous and thick. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting like whole vegetables and things like that. It's, you can see how thick that is. It's just a very, very thick soup. All right, let's give this a shot. It's kind of bland. The oxtail soup I'm used to is like, you know, big oxtails with carrots, celery, onions, corn, squash, all kinds of things, you know, really thick cut. This is just, they see a bit of a carrot right there. There's a little carrot. This is just blended. It's like it's all been put in a blender. And I'm trying to taste the oxtail. If somebody were to serve this to me at a restaurant and I didn't know what it was, I would think I would be. I would think I was eating some type of vegetable pureed soup. Because I definitely, I don't taste the oxtail in it. Just trying to find something to dunk in this. Oh, that was interesting. Let's try one of these Cheeto things. It's like a soft little pillow, those little Cheetos. This is strange. There's some chunks of meat that are in here. Are those veg? No, it's got to be meat. I may heat up the rest of this and try it later, just to see what it tastes like warmed up. Wow, that's different. And it's not salty. What's the sodium levels in this? It's not salty at all. Cook before eating. This stuff is raw. I'm kidding. Ingredients. Here we go. And it doesn't really say. It doesn't give. Oh, there it is. Salt. Not much. Yeah, I didn't think so. 0.6 grams. It's not salty or anything. This will go good with crackers or a big piece of toasty bread that you could dunk in. A piece of bread that's like really rock hard. Because I don't like soggy cereals. All right, let's get to the wines here. We got some Chilean Sauvignon Blanc or some Blossom Hill Soft and Fruity. Soft and fruity. Oh yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Let's try the Chilean Sauvignon Blanc first. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. Interesting. Yeah, smells good. 18.7, 12% volume alcohol. That's actually not bad. That is actually not bad. Wow. And I don't really drink wines that much. A little tart. Got some fruitiness to it. And you can feel that alcohol. Kind of lemony. Am I right? Am I right? Like kind of lemony. I don't think it hit me that quick. Bright, crisp, citrus acidity. Yeah, there's the, yeah. So it has kind of like a lemon bite to it. Grapefruit. Yeah, there you go. So I was tasting right. It's not bad, Mike. And let's try this soft and fruity. Oh, soft and fruity. Whoa. Okay, just pop that open right off the bat. I'm not smelling anything fruity. That smells like butter. That first open that's like butter. Oh my goodness. Really? Like butter. Wow. Interesting. Oh, that's not bad. That is soft. And guess what? It is fruity. What kind of fruits are in here? I'm going to say it's like pomegranate, but I know there's no pomegranate in here. Berries. It doesn't say what kind of berries, just berries. That almost tastes like pomegranate. Wow, that is not bad. Thanks, Zooumberg. Wow, what a package. I got some snacks, I got a meal, and I got some wine. All right. Man, thank you so much. Let's name them off really quick. Walker's Mix Up Snacks Mix, oxtail soup, and Blossom Hill soft and fruity red wine, and Chilean Sauvignon Blanc. Not bad. Somebody said, do I have tequila? And I do, so I might as well end this show with a little bit of some tequila, right? So we'll do a little shotter of the good stuff. Whoa. Oh, that was oxtail soup. Oh, that came up that time. Oh, a little bit of salt. Man, thanks, Zooumberg. I appreciate that very much. I know we got another package coming. Now I got lime stuck in my teeth. I got another package coming from you, but I think you said it was stuck in customs. So I'm wondering is what you're sending me that was being held up in customs. I'm curious now. Very, very curious. That's it. Thank you so much, Zooumberg. I appreciate it so much. Looking forward to the next package. Get some sun, get some exercise, be healthy, and I'll see you when? Next time. Bye. That's it. Stumbled with a knife in your hand.